In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlike all Instagram posts at once. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then right here at the bottom right corner, tap at your profile picture. Then hit Add Menu icon and from here select your activity. Then tap on Interactions and then hit on Likes. It shows you up all the posts that you ever liked on Instagram, and in order to unlike them all at once, all you have to do is hit right here at Select and then just select the post that you want to unlike. Unfortunately, there are no select all feature right here, so you will have to select each post one by one. And then right here at the bottom, hit on Unlike to unlike all check-marked posts. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.